Hey there, Saki here from SAKITECH, and in today's video I want to share tip number 5 from the Essential Tip of the Day series for your Samsung Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus, which will immediately enhance the ownership of your S9, S9 Plus. There will be more tip of the day videos coming out periodically, so stay subscribed and tuned. And before we dive in, if you are wondering what case I'm using for my Galaxy S9 Plus, see the link in the description box down below to go and check it out. It's fantastic. Alright, let's dive in. Alright, so first and foremost, I want to give you a quick bonus tip before I go to the main tip. Basically, when you bring in the edge panels over here, now you may or may not know about the edge panels. If you do not know about the edge panels, I'll drop a link down below to the full tutorial so you can understand exactly how to work with the edge panels here. But if you do know about the edge panels, I just want to show you another view in which you can actually have the edge panels. So this is a standard view right over here. You swipe from screen to screen, but there is a button over here, those three lines. If you tap those buttons, it gives you a quick access, a quick preview of all the edge panels, and I think that this just makes it easier to pick the panel that you desire to use. So instead of going in here and swiping over to the calculator, what I could have done if I had more panels is I could have just tapped this guy, look at the preview, and boom, I'm right at the required edge panel. Okay, so don't forget this nice little edge panel view over here. Now let's move on to the main tip. The main tip has to do with copy and paste and the clipboard functionality that is built into the Samsung Galaxy S9 and the S9 Plus. And of course possibly to the Note 8, S8 and the S8 Plus, because they did receive the Oreo updates. So let me show you what I'm talking about. Let me launch a website here. So here's just one website. Let me just copy a text. Let's copy this text. And we do this often. We copy and paste text all the time. So when you copy a text, then you can actually go, let me just create a new window here. You can go over here and you can paste that text. You can paste that text anywhere in a text message, on a web browser, whatever, right? So we use copy and paste all the time. Now the good thing is, with the Samsung, you have a built-in clipboard that saves all your copy and pastes for the day. So you don't have to just copy and paste one time. You can copy multiple things and paste them one by one if you so desire. So I just copied this over here, Hawaii's Rock By. Let's say I also go down, I want to copy something else. Let's say I want to copy this area here. Let's just copy the whole paragraph by selecting it. So if I copy this, now I don't have to paste that immediately. I'm not going to lose it because it's already saved into the clipboard. I'm going to show you how to access the clipboard. Let's copy one more thing over here. Let's copy this. Okay, just a little bit, copy. Now when you bring up the keyboard, you have a clipboard over here that you can tap, and that actually saves all your copies. So you can use them over and over and over. And if you do want to use one of these guys, for example, let's say I want to paste this over to the bar over here. I just tap this, boom, the whole thing gets pasted right over here. If I wanted to paste this, that one gets pasted over here. So these are some fantastic tricks. Now, if you don't see the clipboard option here, tap the bottom arrow, and it might be sitting over here, and then you can grab and drag and drop the option that you want to use in its proper location. Okay, so you can you may have more options based on your carrier, you may have less options, but you are going to have the clipboard for sure. So you tap that clipboard to bring up all the copies you've done before. Okay, so that was the tip of the day. And of course, if you look in the description box down below, you'll see all the other prior tips that I uploaded for the Samsung Galaxy S9 from the Tip of the Day series. So go check those out if you want to learn more. And thank you for watching this video, guys. Make sure to subscribe to SAKITECH for more videos to come. And for now, have a fantastic day.